So you probably see the video title and I wonder, 99.9% of Jamaicans illiterate? Well, some people might agree, while some might have said, no sir, a lie no go so care 99.9%. But the truth and fact is, some Jamaicans really make it seem like 99.999% of Jamaicans illiterate by the way them act. And we are going to get into what we are talking about in short order. You know, right now the whole COVID thing cause schools no fear keep, right? Or schools have to be virtual. And you know, say parents have to come up with either, you know, a tablet or a phone or something that can give the children access to education online. Or in some cases, you know, the government probably facilitate, you know, where it is needed or necessary. But not everybody have a tablet or a phone. Well, this voice note that is circulating the internet, people, take a listen to this.
Miss Robinson, I don't have no phone, you know, miss. I'm not give Pitney no my phone. I'm not leaving my phone with no Pitney for me. You know, when me win a lot of them, I call me and can't get me a picking them again. Kids school in your yard, we pay for it. Or me get one phone, we make you know. Me not let me phone give no Pitney. For me, I buy a lot of hard for with.
Very illiterate. 99.9% of Jamaicans are very illiterate.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
I wonder how long mommy a buy lotto for. Eh? Cause mommy say, boy, when she win the lotto, she don't want to miss the call. Boy, me I tell you. Well, Richie Feelings had a few things to say. And we are going to take a listen to what Richie has said. But before we get to that, we are going to make your ear balance. You remember I bring balance to you before. And when we talk about balance, we are talking about balance, the rest. The artists we really are trying to bring balance to society. Now, a whole heap of things going in 2020. We see people palm people neck. We see all kind of things are going in 2020. So 2020 shouldn't even bother come though. Yeah, 2020 could have just stay away in there and probably just hop over 2020 and go over to 2021. But anyway, a whole heap of bad things happening in 2020. Nobody not have a good 2020. And balance basically address some of the things that were happening in 2020. Like for example, the man say, yo, take your foot off of me, God bless neck. You remember I bring the audio to you know, well now the man dropped the video. And people, me like the video.
Yeah. So me not gonna make it. Me I talk to him. John Virgin, me I tell you now, it's 2020 coming banging dog. Big things are going in the star, me even love what I want, but John have to go and hold the faith and just go and pray to the Almighty and see if we can make things better for the next people after we, right? Makes sense.
I want to hear that song that we are playing in the background too. A balance the rest song. That means any man have whole heap of positive music. We need to go find that one day. But what run the place right now is God bless neck. Make we get to that then, no?
That's run the place right now. God bless neck.
Alright,
that's the thing there.
Man I go get. Man I go get, man I forget. Take your knee up on me, God bless neck. Dirty Babylon, you really get me upset. Squeeze out the life out of me, God bless stress. No father God not gonna make this rest. 8 minutes gone and no breath no left. Kneeling on my neck, a picture you a take. Now you make the whole earth upset. So we know you is nothing to let.
Yes. The whole of we can remember that little saga when the whole world get upset just a couple months ago, you know, and a long time, you know, and just a couple months ago, right? And then people may just get news the other day too, say even the officer who did kneel long in the brother their neck, just get bail and walk out, gone. I wonder if him did black, it would have been the same thing. Just a question.
Straight now the blow suit him rocking, kneeling now we neck a part of them robbing. Tired down now with the back of backstabbing. Your words them sweet but your heart is bitter. Every day you get up just a tweet and Twitter. Never yet a talk about the poor people matter. Talk about bread when bread one got no butter.
And I'm not like the man I tell another part, you know how much people got bread but don't got no butter. And as a matter of fact, you know how much people don't even have bread? Yeah. Balance know why my talk say. Because you have some people all them get up a video and tweet on Twitter. We not have to call the name because we don't know who. We don't know exactly who always a tweet. But yet still, people hungry can't find food to eat. People wear rock the blue suit after then take off the white gown. Out there do one heap of ranks. Balance. The message clear, my brother.
Me can't stand him. Isa come back really youngin. 2020 come in bangin. When you ride them still give you wrongin. Them kill you when you're in the handcuff. That mean police force you nothing choice. Inna the street them angle we raw. Like Papaya and them on the brutal. Let me know.
Now that's like some band that me just can't end the review without bringing back the chorus one more time. Take your knee off of me God bless neck. Yo, the chorus bad. And it catchy. Me like it. And people want to think about the video. Me like it. The artist are push him career to the next level. You understand what I say? And you definitely have to go check out Balance the Ras. You can find him on every social media platform. On Instagram at I am Balance, right? YouTube Balance the Ras. You can find this song on every platform where music is sold. And go give the artist some support. Alright? Make sure the link in the description, click it and go over to Balance page and leave a comment under the music video and make him know say yo Unstoppable Senior. I will be looking for your comment over on Balance page. I would appreciate it. Make we listen to the chorus one more time.
Take your knee up and me God bless neck. Dirty Babylon, you really get me upset. Squeeze out the life out of me God bless stress. No father God not gonna make this rest. 8 minutes gone and no breath no left. Kneeling on me neck, a picture you attack. Now you make the whole earth upset. So we know you is not intellect.
Alright, Balance, big up yourself, my artist, this song shot. So people, now make we go take a listen to what Richie Feelings has said. Why is it that 99.9% of Jamaicans illiterate? Make we go hear what Richie has said then, no?
Very illiterate. 99.9% of Jamaicans are very illiterate. We are. Seen? But to do a Zoom class, many communities do not have internet. And many parents do not have a laptop. Their child have a little beanie tablet where they buy a long time. So that now can't work either. One little tablet and not big nothing. They buy one something for the pitney player. Game pan and all of them something. They have their phones and their phones cannot really do the Zoom because their phone not good. See? Many people don't have smartphones either. So that's another thing. And don't believe that I'm lying when I said to you that many people in Jamaica does not have a smartphone. Take for instance my dad. He does not have a smartphone. Now I have to buy him a smartphone. And I like him fancy them something but now him have to go get it. Because the school has been sending out stuff to parents, but they are sending it via WhatsApp. But not everybody have WhatsApp. Not everybody. And then the next thing, some people have WhatsApp but they only put on 2-day service. Some people only put on 1-day service. And then boom, them go on Instagram and look on YouTube and they start listening to local music. Bam, the service done. So how are you going to do Zoom with 200 gigabytes? Or 300 gigabytes? How are you going to do that? So looking in, we are going to cost enough parents and we are going to say, but you can't go up on people live because remember, watching a live burn your data. So if you don't have no internet, you can't watch the full live either. See Mitch can say our in-laws will be donating a couple iPads. Yeah, everybody who can help any children who is in need, help them. See, the telecommunications of Jamaica, which is Flow and Digicel, please do what you can do. Do what you can do. Now it's not no time for close. Now we need the credit for the phone and the credit for put on the modem, and we need all of them something there. You understand? That's why I said to people, we are going to face some perilous time. We're start facing them already because school supposedly started on Monday for online. It can't start, it not start everywhere. Some schools want to have some part of a Lindsay in some bush. Want to have some part of Brownstone or some part. Want to be some part of Balaclava. Want to be some part of even a Wolaba. Want to be some part even down a jungle. Want to be some part down a Rima. You understand? So this is something that government is going to need to look into ASAP. With no thing that they look on. But this is the children's education. The children them don't go to school for 7 months now. They don't go to school for 7 months now. Everybody did have them fun and everybody did say, okay, Pitney not go to school, I don't have to worry, I'm going to feed alone, I have to work to feed them. Bam, first man in a class. The first problem is many people can't load on the Zoom because the school not understand fully because it's a new system and the Pitney them and the parents them not understand either. Nobody didn't come out and try to show them because this is something that you have to test out first. Right? This is something that you have to test out first. So many people all know them can't sign on the Zoom. Going to the school is a next thing because remember you have to ask the teacher them how this to go. Ministry have to send people at the school. So now some different people you have to send a different set of workers now to teach the school how to use the Zoom. So you see how much work I have to put in. So this is going to be, it have to be tested for this month and next month. Sweet Tea says it's the government responsibility of Jamaica greatest export is nurses and teachers. So Jamaica have to invest in the kids. Of course. Remember, you know. See, a school it start already, but remember how much of the school them. Not everyone at the school them, Mel. Remember, not everyone at the school them, you know. Remember, as when I say, I did not use the upper St. Andrew classes. I talk about the local primary school them. We are talking about primary. We not talk about the dear school them. You understand? So when I say to no people, it a go wicked. Seeing? Can watch this now. A lot of people are saying over Pinkwall and some other places giving away credit because trust me, data is a big thing in Jamaica. We need data. We don't have unlimited data unless we have Wi-Fi at our yard. Not many households have Wi-Fi. And I'm going to tell you something again. Some places in the corporate era flow is. Digicel is not in every corporate era. Digicel not take over the whole of Jamaica with internet yet. So say them have 4G, broadband, and them a use whatever them a use. See, every community do not have Digicel, and every community do not have flow either. See, so sometimes you look at some comments and they say, so oh, parents have credit for do this and oh, parents have credit for do that. Sometimes I catch on from people Wi-Fi. I see some people put out and say them willing to give some people in a which part them live them Wi-Fi to help them with them school work. You understand? Internet can be very kind and very cruel at times. Because first thing when some person say they want to donate, when them see a girl hairstyle, she in her Fox Locks or she in her Bridget or whatever, people say, so, oh, she can afford Bridget and she can't afford data. So people now go and reach out. You understand? So the Pitney them are going to suffer overall. The Pitney them are going to suffer overall. They are going to suffer.
Alright then viewers, there you have it right there. Richie Feelings has spoken. One officer, talk to me down in the comment section let me hear your views upon this topic. Do you agree or do you disagree? Richie Feelings, my brother, big up yourself 100% all the way. Zine, No, remember me tell you no, go check out Balance the Rest song, cause it bad, and show him the support, and make sure say you go over there and comment and say Unstoppable TV sent you. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where you wait for? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.